Hey, are you struggling from runny nose and sneezing? It could be a sinusitis. But fear not, guys. Here are some mudras you could do to prevent it.
पत्ता ना रोका पत्ता ना रोका जैसे हवाओं में ऐसे भटकता हूँ दिन